Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save a trip in the MTA TrainTime application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the trips button at the bottom of the page on the left. So first you have to search for a trip. You can set the origin and the destination station. And then just click on the trip that you want to save. And then click on this button between the buy and the calendar button. And once it turns blue, the trip is saved and you can find it later on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.